Okay, so for everything I just recorded, my mic was off. Now it's on. I'm out here working on some tilt shift photography, which if you don't know what it is, it's where you take like a real life object and you make it look like it's a miniature, which is pretty cool. You enhance like coloring, and then you use a shallow depth of field, and you get an elevation on it in order to make like a train, or in this case a car, look like it's a miniature car. And it's like a miniature scale model of a vehicle, which I think is pretty cool. Anyway, I just thought this was a pretty sweet place to do it because you can see Gypsy here. This actually looks pretty cool. I don't know what it is about street parking that always makes cars look awesome, but yeah. Anyway, definitely got some good shots. Probably gonna go around, drive around the city, get some better ones, and then at the end of this video here, I'm actually gonna throw them on a roll and add them to the video so you guys can go check them out. Alright, but with that, actually, let's go. Alright, so one of the first things we should probably do, I went home and got a jacket because it's actually kind of cold out right now, is rinse her off because she got pretty dirty in the storm. Even though I spent a lot of time detailing her, I got her all waxed up, she got rained on. So we're gonna rinse her off, get the dirt off, and then go get some more miniature pics. I was gonna film actually washing it, but to be honest, I only had $2, so that didn't seem like the best course of action, considering it was gonna run out on me while I was trying to wash it, and I didn't really want that. But so I'll settle for pics of it, you know, sitting here afterwards. Love this car wash. It's like never anybody here. But yeah. So next time I'll bring more cash. I'll get the full montage of cleaning it. Pretty good, but until then we'll just have to settle for this. I'm gonna take a mini pic right here, actually, back up and get one. Well, leave it to me to forget my full-size tripod so I can't get the angle I wanted sitting on the hood or anything, so I just have my small tripod. I mean, I could give it a shot, it might come out okay, but this background is just gorgeous with the lake and the city, so I don't know. I mean, yeah. Here, let's just give it a shot, see what happens. All the photos are gonna be at the end of the video.